Good morning, people. So many people have been asking me about the juicing and how I make my juices. I'm, again, no expert at this, but I will show you exactly what I do, and then you can tell me what you do, and we'll learn from each other. This morning, Kayla Taylor is joining us, so we're all going to do it together, and I encourage all of you, if you have children, to do this together and give them parts that they can do so that it becomes a part of their normal routine, and it's not a foreign thing that they have to force themselves to do as we adults do. So this morning we're going to do kale again. Thanks to all of those that sent information about kale, but we're going to use that as the base. So you can do kale or spinach as the base, but be intentional with what nutrients you want for that day, because they do have different nutrients and minerals and vitamins and all kinds of stuff. We're going to put some avocado. So again, I pre-cut everything. We got some apples here. Mama, come and put some of this stuff in. Got some apples. We have carrots. So just put all this stuff in. We have basil and cilantro. Don't eat it while you're putting it in. Just throw everything in there. Squeeze the lemon. Now, Rachel Ray did a really cool thing, and she does it upside down so that the fluids all go down, but then the seeds stay up. So, and then you catch the seeds inside your hand. So that's a cool trick that I saw on Rachel Ray. And then let's see what else. Basil. So basil is the star ingredient this morning. So basil, I bought a little plant at Home Depot. It was tiny, and then I put it near the sun and gave some water, and it grew into this beautiful plant that I can use over and over again, and it's amazing. I read about basil. It's an anti-inflammatory, fights cancer, yay, antibacterial properties, fights viruses and infections, combats stress, fights depression, and promotes cardiovascular health. So I recommend adding basil into your diet as much as possible. So now we have all the ingredients in here. We have, I don't see carrots, Kayla. Oh, carrots. So we have carrots, apples, basil, cilantro, kale, lemon, and then we're just going to add some ice cubes, about 5 ice cubes, and some water. Sorry, I don't have exact measurements. But I just kind of eyeball it. I just kind of eyeball it there so that the water comes up to like right here. And then after you blend it, if it's not smooth enough, then you can always add more water. Okay, and then we put how many? 4 ice cubes. All right, so we're ready to rock and roll here. All right, Mama, put that on, and we're gonna start on a low setting. Ready? Here we go. And push down. See how fast? All right, so now we're going to drink it in front of you to show you how delicious it is. Like they do on all the restaurant shows, the cooking shows. And here we go. Voila. Take a sip, Kayla. Let's see how it tastes.
Real reaction.
Okay. It's delicious, isn't it? Yum. Okay, let me try.
Mm-hmm.
Adding the basil adds like a nice kind of minty flavor. So use basil. You can use kale or spinach again as the base. Yeah, enjoy. And there is the green juice. No mystery now. Bye.